In this video, you'll learn how to create a table of contents in WordPress posts and pages. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance the navigability of your content, making it easier for readers to find what they're looking for. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site, open your web browser and enter the address for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you will see options to log in or create a new site. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your credentials. If prompted, enter your username and password, then click the login button. After successfully logging in, go to your dashboard. Here, find the Sites option located in the main navigation menu. Click on Sites to view all the sites associated with your account. This is where you will manage your content and settings. Next, locate the option labeled Create with AI. This feature assists in generating content automatically. Click on this button to initiate the AI site builder. A message will appear laying the foundations for your new site and guiding you through the setup process. Once the AI begins loading, you will see a progress indicator. It is important to wait until the loading process is complete before proceeding. Depending on your internet speed, this may take some time, especially if you're on a slower connection. After the AI finishes loading, you will be prompted to create a unique website. A message will appear suggesting that you type in create a table of contents. This will allow the AI to generate relevant content for your site. Type this phrase into the provided text field, then press the enter key. Following this, you will receive a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a table of contents for you. You will then be asked to choose the option presented above. Type in your selection and again press enter to confirm your choice. Next, you will see a prompt asking for your website's title, which will appear in the browser tab. Type in the desired name of your site, then hit enter to save your input. Ensure that the title accurately reflects the content of your website. You will then be prompted to enter a short tagline or description that summarizes what your site offers. This description will show in search results and social media previews. Type in your tagline and press enter to continue. Afterward, click on Create My Site to finalize the setup process. This action will initiate the creation of your website. You may see a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing, as your site is being generated. Wait for the site to generate completely. This may take a while, depending on the complexity of your content and your internet connection. It is essential to remain patient during this step as the process completes. When the site generation is finished, your new WordPress site will be ready. You can now navigate to the editor to customize your content further. This is where you will add the table of contents to your posts and pages. To add a table of contents, go to the post or page where you want to include it. Use the editor to insert heading tags for each section of your content. These headings will serve as links in your table of contents, allowing readers to jump to specific sections. After setting up your headings, you can use a plugin to automatically create a table of contents based on those headings. Search for a suitable plugin in the WordPress plugin repository, install it and activate it to enable the functionality. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.